Hi everyone, so I'm going to test Call of Duty on my tab in the normal tablet view and Dex view. Before that I want to show you the speed of my internet so that if any problem occurs, it's not going to be the internet problem. So I'm just running the speed test so that you understand. As you can see, the speed is good enough to play a game, I guess. So it's good, let's start it. I'm going to play a multiplayer session because that's the only thing I'm good at. I'll play in the tablet mode first. Let me show you the graphics first. As you can see, I'm on very high settings. Also, let me show you my controller. As you can see, my controller is connected. I am using my custom settings. Let me just lower the sound a bit. I think it's on 50%. And if you want to check the battery as well, let me show you that as well. It's on 55% right now. So let's start. Let's start one session. Graphics are good. Okay. I don't know from where that came from. The graphics are really good. Trying to
Killer drone on standby. Package on standby.
let me take his gun because I'm gonna. Yeah, I don't like his gun.
Awaiting orders.
Yeah, didn't work. Let me try something.
Predator missile inbound.
Cool.
Friendly hunter killer drone deployed. They're hurting. Keep fighting.
One more to go. And here we go. That's been a great experience so far. No lags whatsoever, no frame drops. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to switch to Dex mode now so that I don't see any problem in that as well. Let me just go.
Mission accomplished. Good work.
Let me just go and switch to Dex mode. Okay. Let's wait for this and someone to come.
Hunter killer drone deployed. Stealth chopper on standby. Stealth chopper eval.
Yeah, I made a mistake. Okay, my chopper is killing everyone. I don't have many people. Nicely done. I can see some lag here. It's not the... Shit. Anyway, it's good. At least I'm still ahead. The only thing I faced while playing on decks that somehow I feel a network lag. I don't know why. So yeah, I win. But otherwise the gameplay is really good. I mean, I would suggest play on the tab mode rather than on the dex mode for a better experience. So I played 3 sessions on it. Let me just go home and see the battery. And the battery percentage is 52%, as you can see. So this was my gameplay. Just let me know if you enjoyed it and if you like such videos. My name is Rohit. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.